What's good with chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 26. Yay! We almost made it. I'm gonna keep saying it all the way up until the 31st, but we are locked in. So today's video, I am going to be doing a custom hoodie, and I'm going to be removing sleeves off this hoodie. I actually thrifted this hoodie, and then I'm going to be adding these as sleeves. So this is gonna be a Christmas gift for my wife, and she loves like patterns like these. So I am going to remove it on this hoodie and add the sleeves on there. So first thing that we are going to do, we are going to lay our fabric out. We are having it folded, and then we're going to cut out both sleeves. So this is the fabric. I have it laid out, and then on fold, this is on fold here. We're just going to take our sleeve, we are going to lay it down, lining it up with fold, and we're going to cut this out. Just a reminder, when you're cutting it out, still leave a seam allowance. I usually like to do like a 1/2 inch or so, and we'll attach it. So let's cut this out. Boom, there's one sleeve, and now we are going to cut out the same exact one. So we're going to need to lay our fabric flat again, lay our fabric down, and we are going to cut these out. I think I'm going to end up seam ripping this pocket that's on the front and using this fabric to replace the pocket. So I'm gonna go ahead and seam rip this pocket off quick, just so we can have all of our panels cut out before we start working on the actual hoodie. All right, yeah, so we got the pocket all put off, or seam ripped off, whatever you want to call it. Now we are just going to go ahead and place it on our fabric. We are going to cut this out again, making sure we are leaving some seam allowance because we'll actually fold it and give it a nice finish. Boom, we have this. Now we are going to fold in over the edges, just so it's a nice clean top stitch that we lay down. Press that, we'll get our iron warming up, and then we're also going to go ahead and we're also going to hem up the sleeve as well. Boom, we got the sleeves all cut off of the hoodie part. So now what we are actually going to do to attach the sleeves, instead of cutting up the side seam of the hoodie to attach them, we are going to just finish the sleeves here. So if you guys watched like my blazer video, how I did it, I am just going to sew from the wrist all the way up to the armpit piece, and we're going to leave the actual armhole unsewn. We'll sew that directly onto the hoodie. So we're going to sew from, again, leaving this open. This is the top shoulder piece. This is the bottom armpit piece. From the armpit piece all the way down to the wrist we'll sew. So here is one sleeve finished. We even got this. So we're gonna set this to the side. We're gonna do the other sleeve quick. All right, so we got both sleeves done, and now we are ready to add them to the hoodie. What we're going to do is we are going to, on our hoodie, we're going to turn the hoodie inside out, but I'm also going to turn the sleeves right side out, just because we want right sides facing each other. And what I'm actually going to do is, while I got this open, just do a quick press on the seams here. We're going to find our top, middle of our top, our shoulder seam, and then obviously our bottom one will be the seam, the bottom seam we just sewed. We're gonna go to the hoodie. We're gonna place the hoodie, or the sleeve, inside of the hoodie, making sure the tops line up, and then we'll have our bottom seam lined up with our bottom seam on the hoodie. And we can clip this. Now all we're going to do is we are going to sew around. So just like how we would do our hood, this is how we would do the sleeve. So a simple single stitch, and then I like to go over it with a zigzag stitch unless you have a serger to finish it off. So something like this. Oops. All the way around, and y'all, just like that, we have this. It came out so super cute. I know she's gonna love it, so let me actually try it on real quick. Wifey don't mind. Cute. It's nice and cozy, y'all. My thermal underneath is super thick, so, but little pocket. This came out super cute. Let me take it off. It is a gift, but it's my wife's, so I can do that. I am gonna go ahead and use a lint roller to remove all the dust and hairs, but this is what it's came out to be, and it is super cute. I know she is gonna love it. So if you guys liked, make sure to drop that like, comment down below what you guys would like to see. As always, stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.